My name is Evan Roth. I'm a managing director here with Productive Edge. We're a healthcare-focused global consultancy headquartered here in Chicago with teams distributed throughout the world, in Poland, Latin America, and throughout the US.
My name is Nadia Sernowskaya. I'm a general manager at Productive Edge Europe. So our company's primary focus is providing technologies, and the main focus is actually AI and healthcare. We have offices in 4 different locations, so we are an international company, and my primary focus and responsibility is overseeing day-to-day operations, finances, and also resource management.
So when we approached Voxy, we were looking for a new solution that aligned more closely with the changes to our industry and the evolving needs and scale that we were facing. Our previous platform had become more complex and resource intensive than necessary, and we wanted a partner that could offer a more streamlined approach while working closely with us to support our own processes. Voxy stood out for its flexibility and its team's willingness to collaborate with us in order to shape a solution that really fit to how we work. So we found Voxy to be the right choice for us for a couple reasons. Namely, its team's ability to respond to our needs and collaborate with us to create a solution that really supported the way in which we work day to day, but also its ability to scale throughout our global teams and fit to those needs. And, really its wide range of features that support project-based service companies like Productive Edge.
So onboarding process with Voxy was really smooth. And I believe the key factor there was very close and joint collaboration between Voxy team and the implementation team. So we did great job in preparation, designing Voxy, setting up workflows, business processes, reports as a team. So, and I believe it was the key success factor. So we also organized an internal group to test all functionality, workflows and reports in advance before the onboarding. Our HR team prepared a quick onboarding guide. So thanks to intuitive design of Voxy sent to their support and guidelines, the onboarding and rolling out was really quick and smooth. We were able to hit our targets without any significant issues, any disruption. So it was really smooth, fast, and we really enjoyed the process.
Switching to Voxy allowed us to achieve a 70% reduction in our ERP costs rather rapidly. Within signing our contract with Voxy, we were able to launch in 5 weeks across all of our teams on 3 different continents. We had a strict timeline due to the end of our relationship with our previous ERP vendor that we had to rush to get through, but the Voxy team was there to support us every step of the way. They were able to quickly make some enhancements to the platforms that we needed, and we were able to hit all of our goals in our go live target and timeline. Yeah, so as we're primarily focused on clients in healthcare, we have various compliance and regulations that we need to abide to. So it was great that Voxy had their own compliance out of the box with GDPR and their SOC compliance, allowing us to check that box immediately. Additionally, having a lot of auditing within the system so that we can provide data to our clients as requested became an additional feature that was great to have.
We're an international company with several offices around the globe, and for us, it's real critical to meet legislation requirements of that particular region. If we are talking about organization work in particular region, if we are talking about ERP system, it needs to allow to set up public holiday calendars for that particular region, or set up specific rules around leave type requests and specific budget. It's also critical from project planning, resource planning perspective, billing perspective on calculation utilization report. So we were so surprised that Foxy were very open in a way to discuss our business needs, to discuss our business ideas. And they were supported during the whole this process. So we actually worked together to set up the whole process around leave types, non-billable activities, how to configure it, how to approve, how to reject. And what is even more important, it didn't take years, like in other systems, and it didn't take quarters. So we gave them requirements, explained our business needs, and in a month or two, they provided us functionality. So it was awesome.
Voxy has really improved our visibility into our day-to-day projects by providing real-time dashboards, some improved vision into our team's utilization and allocations. We're able to use Voxy data to create custom reports to, feed into our own finance processes and enable downstream activities for the health of our business. So Voxy's real-time data and reporting has helped us to streamline some of our processes, specifically around management of opportunities. We're able to integrate to our system that our sales team uses to pull in opportunities and transition those over to our delivery teams quickly to work up with allocations, resourcing, and establishing quick budgeting. We're able to take this data and use it in our reporting so that we can report back out on our sales lifecycle as well as our utilization for those team members.
Absolutely. I would recommend to any company because learning curve is tiny. It's really easy to understand how the tool is worked. They provide great support during the whole implementation process. And for instance, in our case, the whole implementation process took about 5 weeks.
The ROI that we've achieved switching to Voxy, 70% reduction in cost, is real value that we continue to leverage. But the long-term potential really is with the Voxy team's collaboration with us as we continue to evolve our business processes together. They're always willing to pick up the phone and talk to us about ideas and help us evolve the product in a way that supports our changing processes or needs. So yes, I would certainly recommend Voxy to other consulting firms. It was enterprise ready out of the box and we were able to get up and running quickly, but the team there has also been very supportive in helping us to evolve the product throughout real partnership and efforts to continuously add features that we've requested. We've been able to achieve a quick ROI, and that translates into our delivery for our clients.